In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a product promo animation in Canva. Whether you're promoting a new launch or highlighting a special feature, animated promos can really help capture attention. Let's dive in and make yours stand out. First, open your web browser and head over to Canva's homepage. Canva is a powerful, user-friendly platform with a wide array of design possibilities, so it's perfect for this project. Once you're there, look for the button that says Create a Design and select Video from the drop-down menu. This canvas will serve as your workspace, where you'll piece together all the elements of your promo. Now, you'll want to upload high-quality photos or transparent PNGs of your product. This is crucial, as sharp, clear images will make your animation look professional and appealing. Go to the Upload section on the left-hand side, and there you can drag and drop your files directly from your computer. High-resolution images ensure that every detail of your product is highlighted and impactful. After you've uploaded your product images, click on one to add it to your video canvas. Simply click and drag it into position. If you need to adjust the size or orientation, you can do so easily by using the corner handles to scale and rotate as needed. Remember, your product is the star of this animation, so make sure it's front and center. With your product image in place, it's time to bring it to life. In the top toolbar, you'll see an option for Animate. Click this to explore Canva's range of animation effects. Whether you want a gentle float or a dynamic zoom, there are varieties to choose from that add movement and draw the viewer's eye to your product. Take some time to experiment and select an animation that aligns with the tone of your promo. Next, let's add some engaging text. Navigate to the text option on the left panel. Here, you can include details about your product, such as its name, features, or special offers. Choose fonts that are clear and match your brand style. Adding branding elements like your logo ensures consistency and makes your promo recognizable. Now, let's enhance your animation even further. Incorporate backgrounds or effects to make your video visually captivating. A subtle gradient or pattern can add depth and texture, while effects like filters can help your product pop against the backdrop. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to finalize your animation. Click on the Share button in the top right corner and download your video as an MP4 file. This format is versatile and ensures your animation plays smoothly across various platforms. And there you have it. You've just created a striking product promo animation in Canva. With practice, you'll be able to create more complex animations, but even with these steps, you've unlocked a powerful tool to showcase your product. Thanks for watching and happy designing.